teammates are in the safe zone.
That's the
No fuel.
nigga over there.
Gas is moving.
Fuck you, asshole.
Mission timeline over. UAV exiting the area.
Yeah, no, you
Target
cash,
down.
we do got
Marking the
that.
red.
Fuck you,
They just
asshole.
landed over here.
45 long slide with laser sighting.
You sit up.
Fuck you, asshole.
Enemy
Fuck you,
destroyed.
asshole.
Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them.
Bro, when did I go down, bro? Did anybody see my screen? Like, I'm not gonna be able to play. I'm not even gonna be able to play.
Fuck you,
Cause my ping
asshole.
is jumping up just randomly. Shit random as fuck, bro.
Fuck you, asshole.
He's definitely cheating. Like, how is he?
I'll be back.
I just push him along that side. Yep, push him along that side. Oh, yeah, just hold. Yep. There's that nigga on top of the roof. Yep, get up there.
Fuck you.
Yo, what you doing, boy? Yo, what you doing, boy? Yeah, both with the 10s. I say you're just going on the other side. Stay right there.
Boy.
Yep. Oh, then it's coming back towards y'all. Y'all stay right there the whole time. I got this. I think he up top.
He is.
Fuck you,
I
asshole.
ain't got no plate.
I think it's 2v2s all around. Oh, on Frank.
He is.
On Frank, stay with Frank.
Yeah.
He down. Yep. Stay together. He on this side. Yep. You know where he at.
No, he's right out here hiding.
Stay alive so your squad can redeploy.
Up
Right in
top.
there. He's about to pop out. He just popped out. He's about to pop out again.
I'll be back.
He's right below,
below
you.
you.
Fuck you, asshole.
All right, 1v1s all around. I think he up top. Don't go up there.
That's what
1v1s.
I'm talking about, bro.
Fuck you,
Oh,
asshole.
GG.
He's coming up on. He's trying to do you like I do you.
Phased plasma rifle and 40. I'll be back. Fuck you, asshole.
He think he's better than you.
Finish your mission. Take them down.
That's crazy.
Target's eliminated.
That's
I hit a
crazy.
blink.
Me and Mel had the same amount of damage.